Ever wondered which steak method is actually better? After my last Confit video, your comments got me thinking. Today, we're putting both techniques to the test. For this experiment, I picked up 2 identical cuts of beef so we could do a proper side-by-side comparison. And don't worry, at the end, I'll give you my completely honest thoughts on which method comes out on top. So let's get started. I'm going to need a mountain of garlic for the Confit steak, but don't worry, you won't have to spend much time peeling it. I have a great garlic peeling trick. Take a sharp knife and cut off the top and bottom ends of each garlic head. This should make it easy for the head to separate into individual cloves. Once you've separated the cloves, put them all in a bowl. Now, start gently kneading the cloves together, just like you would dough. After a few minutes of kneading, you'll notice that the skins of most of the garlic cloves will start to come off easily. Sure, you might need to tackle a few stubborn ones by hand, but look at this result. A beautiful mountain of perfectly peeled garlic in no time. Now for the exciting part, our first steak experiment. Grab your paprika and create this gorgeous red blanket on your plate. The key here is to be generous with the paprika. We want complete coverage for maximum flavor impact. Watch how the meat takes on this beautiful color as we coat it. Pat it gently to help it adhere to the surface. This isn't just for looks. We're building layers of flavor here. Into the baking dish it goes. Be gentle as you transfer it, surrounded by our peeled garlic army. These cloves are going to become sweet and mellow as they cook, infusing everything with their amazing flavor. A few sprigs of fresh rosemary nestled around the edges. I love how the aroma is already starting to fill the kitchen. Some generous seasoning. And remember, don't forget the garlic needs salt too. This is shaping up to be something special. Here's where it gets interesting. We're giving this steak a warm oil embrace. Pour that sunflower oil until just the top of the steak is visible, like a little island in a golden sea. Okay, before I pop this steak in the oven, preheated to 120 degrees Celsius, that's 248 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 hours, I wanted to ask you to subscribe to the channel. I'm really working hard to make these videos helpful for you. Let's get this beauty onto the board. The aroma in my kitchen right now is absolutely incredible. See how the knife glides through? Those slices tell the whole story. And now, the finishing touch, pressing some of that confitted garlic on top. This might be a game changer. Time to switch gears. Let's make a classic steak for comparison. Getting this grill pan smoking hot, that's crucial. Just a touch of oil, and listen to that. That sizzle is music to any cook's ears. Time to flip. See that crust developing? That's pure flavor right there. Then we're hitting it with the classics: salt, pepper, a generous knob of butter, fresh rosemary, garlic, and that secret weapon, Worcestershire sauce. Another minute to finish. Perfect. Wrapped in foil for a quick rest. Patience pays off again. 10 minutes later. These slices could make anyone hungry. All right, let's see how our steaks turned out. Confit steak. It's not as juicy, but it's incredibly tender after cooking for 2 hours. The garlic adds a really nice, nutty flavor. If the steak seems a little dry, just drizzle some flavored oil over it. Classic steak. This one is juicy and full of flavor. It might not be as tender as the Confit, but if you use good quality meat, it's still amazing. Both ways are delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The next video will be just as exciting. Bye.